Hello everyone, welcome to Fvr-Multi. In today's video tutorial, I am going to show you guys how to import old Android Studio project in latest updated Android Studio. And Android Studio build system is based on Gradle, so it tries Gradle build failed error to import old Android Studio project. Now we go to import the project and solve the build error. This is my Android Studio project. I extract here. Now open the Android Studio and click the file, click new and import project. Now select your project location. Airport is name of my project. Now it's open and it tried to build the Gradle. Now it shows the error, so don't worry about that. We easy to fix this error. Now I go to create new Android Studio project. Click file, new project, and give basic activity. Next, and give your project name or application name. Choose your language and SDK version. APK version, and click finish. Now it was open. Now it built a Gradle. Gradle built successfully. You just expand the Gradle script and click the build Gradle project file and copy the class path dependency. Then open the old project and open similar file and paste. And paste it in the class path. Again open the new project and open Gradle wrapper properties. Just copy the distribution URL and similar process to paste on old project. Now paste the URL. Save the changes and click the try again. It takes few minutes to build Gradle. Now you can able to use your project to make changes. In design view, right side is blueprint of your design, and one more concept is how to delete Android Studio project. You just go to the project location and delete the file. The file permanently delete from your ID. Thank you for watching, guys. Do subscribe for regular updates. Like பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க, subscribe பண்ணுங்க.